We're leaving for LA. My car's here, so off to the airport. I don't know why this happens to me every single time, but I've just had to buy a new suitcase because mine's too full, like way too full, to the point like I can't even pay extra for it. They're just like, you have to buy another suitcase because it's just too full. So I'm currently just repacking. All my stuff is here. I just put stuff in there. Hopefully we should be good now. I'm in LA. I didn't vlog much of like the plane journey and stuff just because I was so tired. I slept pretty much the whole time. Excuse me, my throat. I am now at my hotel. Our flight was delayed. Our flight was delayed by 2 hours. So we were meant to have dinner at Catch LA today. But because the flight was delayed, we have to cancel reservations. So now I'm just gonna order room service and stuff and just chill, which, to be honest, I'm so like tired and I feel like all over the place. I kind of don't mind that. So I don't actually think I told you this, but I am in LA with BOOHOO. So they've brought a new collection out with Zendaya. So they're having like a big event, a big party here, and they've flown out a few influencers to come along. So that's why I'm pretty much here. Very good time, I know, very grateful, very blessed. So today I flew with Lou Teasdale and I flew with Nikita Johnson. So we've all come today, and then tomorrow there is another group of girls come in. I'm so excited to be here. I haven't been here in a very long time. I love LA. I'm gonna show you about in this hotel room. It's lovely where we're staying. I'm staying at the Dream Hollywood. I'm just going to show you now because I know it's going to get messed up. Let's be real. Do you know what's weird about me? What's weird is that I'm a clean freak. Like, I love tidy areas, but like I'm more so a clean freak when it comes to my own house. So I can't have anything out of place. I'm always cleaning, but like when I'm away from home, I'm not as tidy. I don't understand that. A little welcome note. Jayde, welcome to the Dream Hollywood. Wishing you a wonderful stay, Dream Team. Thank you, guys. Spelt my name wrong though. We need to discuss that. And look at this little cookie that I got. It's actually not a little cookie, it's actually very big. It's my Instagram. Yeah, I'm just gonna order room service and chill. Go to sleep. Catch up with everyone. Tomorrow we have breakfast at like 10 AM, so it's better if I just fall asleep. I just woke up. It is 6 o'clock. It's 6:30. It's 6:30. I tried to sleep for a little bit longer, but my body's not letting me, so I'm just gonna get up and start getting ready. I am ready. I just wanted to show you my outfit quickly. Top is BOOHOO, joggers are BOOHOO, and the shoes are also BOOHOO. Okay, so we just had lunch at the Beverly Hills Hotel. We are now in Boohoo's office and we are just picking a few goodies from the Zendaya collection. Hello, me again. So last time you guys spoke to me, well, last time I spoke to you was when we was at the gifting lounge. So I've got an outfit for the party on Wednesday. Tonight we are going to the Ivy for dinner. So that will be nice. The other girls will be here tomorrow. Quick outfit run. This bodysuit is from Boohoo. The trousers are from Slinger. Yeah, I'm running late, so quickly. Top is Boohoo, jeans are Boohoo, and shoes are Boohoo. Okay, currently in Nobu. I feel sick. I get travel sick. Thought I'd just let you know. I'm with some lovely ladies currently eating edamame beans. Yeah. I have been joined by Yasmin. The light is awful, but you guys know I've known Yasmin for a very long time, and I feel like I've known Carmen for a very long time because we shared our whole life with each other. Okay guys, so I am leaving LA now. I went to the party for the Zendaya collection yesterday and it was so good. I didn't bring my camera because yesterday I knew it was going to be a good night, and obviously most of you will know that I have a baby, and obviously when I'm back home in London, I'm with her most of my time, you know, and I'm either working or I'm being a mum. I don't really have time to go out. So I just thought, like, this night I just wanted to party and like not worry about vlogging and updating and stuff. Like, I just wanted to live in the moment and just have a really good night, which I really did. It was such a good night. I walked the red carpet. I was really nervous because I wore a mini skirt and I haven't worn a mini skirt for years. I won't go into too much detail, but a lot of you will know, a lot of you won't know, but after I had my daughter, I actually suffered from an eating disorder, and I've only just started to start eating properly again, and putting on the weight is really difficult. I've always been a small girl, but I've always been really insecure and cautious of how small I am, just because I've heard everything under the sun about myself. And it's something that I am actually quite insecure about, to be honest with you, and I never wear mini skirts because of it. And yesterday was the first time in about maybe 7-8 years that I've worn a mini skirt. When I got to I'd done it, like I wore it and I got to the party and I took it off after 10 minutes, like not in the party. By the way, my voice is gone from yesterday, but I didn't take it off in the party, obviously, but I came back to my hotel room and I got changed into something I was a little bit more comfortable in, just because as soon as I got there, people started making comments, and I know people are going to say, like, don't worry about like what people have got to say and things like that, but I genuinely wouldn't have been able to have a good time being so cautious of what other people were saying about me. Like, people could say whatever, like someone could say, oh my gosh, she's so ugly, and I wouldn't get offended because I don't think I'm ugly. But like, when it comes to how small I am, that is something that I actually do hate about myself, and I just don't want to be reminded about it 24/7, you know. I'm glad I did that, just because that really took me out of my comfort zone, and maybe that is the start of me not giving a shit. I am going to check out now, and we are going for lunch, and then I'm gonna head to the airport and go back to London. I'm so excited to see Ayla. I've missed her. I have missed her. I just want to thank Boohoo for everything. Thank you so much for looking after me. Thank you so much for bringing me out here with great girls. Thank you for giving me brilliant LA experiences, taking me to like the best places to eat and things like that, and giving me a night off of my responsibilities and just feeling like myself, like not this woman that works and not a mum, but just Jayde. Thank you so much, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I wish I got more footage for you, and it's kind of choppy, like I'm hoping when I put this together it will be okay, but I'm sorry if it won't. I'm probably gonna end the vlog here just because when I get back home I probably won't end the vlog, because I always think I'm just gonna end it and then I never do. I end up getting really tired. My battery's gonna die, I can see it, so I'm just gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you again, BOOHOO. And thank you to you guys. I honestly wouldn't be able to do these sorts of things if I didn't have your support. And it honestly means a lot to me. I can't believe that like little me from like my little hometown travels the way I do. It's actually nuts. I will see you guys in my next video, my next vlog, whatever that may be. Take care.